Peace be upon you and your family. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about position of transition element in the periodic table. Before that, what are transition metals? What are transition metal? The metallic elements that have incompletely filled d subshell in the neutral or cationic state are called transition metals. The metallic elements that have incompletely filled d or f subshell in the neutral or cationic state are called transition metals. This definition includes lanthanoids and actinoids. Lanthanoids, actinoids or inner transition element are also called F-lac element. However, IUPAC defines transition metal as an element whose atom has an incomplete d subshell or which can give rise to cations with an incomplete d subshell. So, according to IUPAC definition, what are transition metal? Transition metal is an element whose atom has an incomplete d subshell or which can give rise to cations with an incomplete d subshell. D-block elements occupy the central position of the periodic table. This is the position of transition element, position of D-block element in the periodic table. So, the D-block element occupy the central position of the periodic table between S and P-block elements, and their properties are transitional between. The properties of D-block elements are in between, transitional between highly reactive metals of S-block and elements of B-block which are mostly non-metal. So, where transition metal D-block elements are placed, the D-block elements occupy the central position of the periodic table between S and B-block elements, and their properties are transitional between highly reactive metals of S-block and elements of P-block which are mostly non-metal. Except group 11 element, copper, silver, gold and rhodium. Group 11 elements are copper, silver, gold and rhodium. Except group 11 element, all transition metals are hard and have very high melting point due to high interatomic attraction, crystalline solid. Except group 11 element, all transition metals are very hard and have very high melting point. Transition metals, iron and copper, play an important role in the development of human civilization. Many other transition elements also have important application such as tungsten in light bulb filaments, titanium in manufacturing artificial joints, molybdenum in boiler plants, platinum in catalysis, etc. They also play vital role in living system. For example, iron in hemoglobin, cobalt in vitamin B12, etc. So, these are the importance of iron, copper, tungsten, titanium, molybdenum and cobalt and iron. Biological system also D block elements are involved. Now we are going to see what are the elements present in D block. When you see this video, if any part you like this video, please subscribe the channel. In the fourth period of the periodic table, the 3D elements are present. This series is called 3D series. What are the elements are present in the first transition series or 3D series? Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese Mn, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and Zn, zinc. So what are the elements are present? Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc are present in the first transition series. Atomic number starting from 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And in the periodic table, D block element occupies 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12th group in the periodic table. D block element occupied 3 to 12 group in the periodic table. And in the periodic table, the fifth period element, the fifth period in the periodic table consists of second transition series, which is also called 4D series. In all these first transition series, 3D electrons are filled up. In the 4D series, 4D electrons are filled up. What are the elements are present? Yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, Mo, technium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium, Cd. Yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium. Atomic number 39 starting from yttrium, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. Cadmium 48. In the periodic table, the sixth period of the periodic table, the element forms 5D series. The element form 5D series, third transition series. And in all the elements, which orbital is filled up? 5D orbitals are filled up. 5D orbitals are filled up. The first element, lanthanum, hafnium. In between these two, lanthanum atomic number 57, hafnium 72. So in between these two elements there are 14 elements are missing. That 14 elements are placed under the periodic table as lanthanoids. Lanthanoids. Then tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury, Hg, gold and mercury. Atomic number 57, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, mercury 80. Mercury is a liquid metal in D black. And the last period of the periodic table, seventh period of the periodic table, seventh period. It is also called a 6D series. It is also called 6D series. The first element in the seventh period, 6D, fourth transition series is actinum, atomic number 89. The next element, Rutherfordium, RF, atomic number of actinum 89. 89. Rutherfordium 104. So in between these two also 14 elements are missing. That elements are placed under the periodic table as actinoids. Tupnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meindrinium, Darmstadtium, Roentgenium, Cobernicium. Atomic number 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. Cobernicium. These are D black elements. We know all these elements are placed in the middle of the periodic table between S and P black element. Their properties are in between the properties of S and P black element. And one more thing is that as we know that the group 12 element, zinc, cadmium and mercury, do not have partially filled d orbitals either in their elemental state or in their normal oxidation state. However, they are treated as transition elements because their properties are an extension of the properties of the respective transition elements. They are not considered as a D block element, but their properties, zinc, cadmium, mercury, their properties are an extension of the properties of the respective transition element. As per the IUPAC definition, the seventh period element starting from actinum, rutherfordium to cobernicium also belong to transition metals. All of the seventh period element are radioactive. Except actinum, all the remaining elements are synthetically prepared and have very low half-life period. So these are the properties of transition, position of transition element in the periodic table, and some more important properties also we have discussed in this video. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment it and subscribe it. In the incoming video, we will discuss how to write the electronic configuration of D black element. Thank you.